जाको मुश्किल अत बने, ढोई कोई ना दे, लागू होए दुश्मना, साख भी भज खले, सभो भजै आसरा, चूकै सब असराओ, चित आवै उस पार ब्रह्म, लगे न तत्ती वाव। चित आवै उस पार ब्रह्म, लगे न तत्ती वाव। Whenever we have problems, can be a lot of hardships in our life, and nobody is there to help and support us. And the problems are so tremendous that people who were our friends are becoming our foes now. Even the relatives don't support us. Any support we have, it goes away. Maharaj says, at that point of time, when we remember Vaheguru, Vaheguru is, was, and always be your support. But Vaheguru has to come in our chit, in our consciousness, in our mind. Chit aave us par Brahm lage na tatti wo. And he sirf muh jo kehna Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. A lot of people, they just say, right? They just say Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. But in their mind, still the thoughts are going on. When in our mind, when our conscious mind, when our mind is awake, then only it helps, because then we are focusing only on Par Brahm. We don't worry about anything else. Therunda, it's a kind of a live and die situation. That's why Maharaj says, Dukh is actually good. The pain is actually good, because at that point of time, person normally tries to take a support of Vaheguru. But if still during the Dukh, we are thinking about other supports, like here and there, this person can help me, that person can help me, this can happen, then not. Only Vaheguru. Chit ave us par Brahm, lage na tati. Wow. And what if in our mind, in our consciousness, Vaheguruji stays there permanently? Then what happens? Permanently. Sanu hamesha odi yaad hi rave. All the time we are just remembering him. That's what Maharaj is telling us here. Slok Mahalla Panjwa. नानक आए से परवान है जिन हर वुठा चित. Kende, when Vaheguruji is there in your consciousness permanently, then your birth is approved, then your life is approved. Parwan ho gaye tusi. That's why you came to this world. All the time Vaheguruji is there, then your mind is awake. Gali alp laliyan kam na aave mit. Alp laliya means babbling. ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ, ਲਾਈਕ ਗਾਲਾਂ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. Anything which we are saying, the babbling and all the things, nothing will help you. They are all useless. Neither the friends can help us. Only Vaheguru. Only Vaheguru. And we have to remember this thing. But there has to be a full focus, full faith on Vaheguru. How do we know that Vaheguruji is in our chit, in our conscious mind forever? When we don't seek a support of anybody else. ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਆਸਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਜਦੋਂ. ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ. Only one thing is there in the mind. Only Vaheguru is going to help me. But what happens most of the times, for most of the people, yeah, that person can help me, but Vaheguruji will help me. Yeah, that person can help me, but Vaheguruji will help me. That's not there. It's not going to help you. ਪੂਰੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਭਾਣੇ 'ਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਹੁਕਮ 'ਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਰੰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ. When we stay in the color of Vaheguru forever, we have no doubt, no duality. ਦੁਵਿਧਾ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਨ. मन इज नॉट इन दुविधा, मन दुविधा च है, ए बंदा भी मेरी हेल्प कर सकता है, एंड वाहिगुरु कैन आल्सो हेल्प मी। स्कीमा भी बना रहे मन विच, in the mind we are thinking of other ways also, and also saying Vaheguru will help me, then Vaheguru is not going to help me. That's a problem. That's called duvida. Then the mind is wandering, mind is trying to seek a support, does not matter whether it is Vaheguru or somebody else. There have been lot of incidents in the history where a lot of powerful people tried to give the support to the Gurmukhs, but Gurmukhs had only one asra, only one hope, only one support, that is of Vaheguru. They didn't seek or even took a help of anybody. And that's what Gurbani is teaching us, this thing. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is teaching us. Mahalla Panjwa, Par Brahm Prab Drishti Aya, Puran Agam Bismad, Nanak Ram Naam Tan Kita, Pure Gur Prasad. When the perfect Vaheguruji, wonderful Vaheguruji, the Bismad Vaheguruji has come in our drishti. Now drishti is Vaheguruji's drishti, not our drishti. What happens? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਨਦਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਹੋਵੇ. That nadar and drishti is his kirpa, his grace. Par Brahm Prab Drishti Aya. We came in the drishti. So that's why we have to be very careful when we read the Gurbani, because when we will depend on the meanings of the Gurbani, then things will change. Par Brahm Prab Drishti Aya. We came in the nadar. Jinko nadar karam tinkar, Nanak nadri nadar nihal. Par Brahm Prab Drishti Aya, Puran Agam Bismad, because he is the perfect one. When his kirpa happens, when his grace happens, and when will his grace happens? When we will take his support. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਸਰਾ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ, when we will not seek a support of anybody else. Then what is the nishani, what is the sign? Nanak Ram Naam Tan Kita, Pure Gur Prasad. Then Maharaj has given us the wealth of Naam, the Bitcoin of Naam. People are like so mad about cryptocurrencies these days, or a gold or a silver, right? But the real cryptocurrency is the Naam. Ram Naam Tan. That's a wealth. Tan means wealth. That's a real wealth. Kita, Pure Gur Prasad. That's a Gur Prasad which we are seeking for. That's a grace, that's a blessing which we are seeking for. Ik Oankar Sat Naam. That's Sat Naam. Karta Purakh Nirpau Nirvair Akal Murat Ajuni Saipang Gur Prasad. That Gur Prasad will come directly from Satguruji, Vaheguruji, which is within us. Paudi Tohona Challi Khasam Naal Lab Moh Gute. Some people, they are over smart. Some people, they are over smart. What they try to do, they think they can deceive Vaheguru also. Maharaj ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਧੋਖਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. It never works. It never works. You cannot fool Vaheguru. You might be able to fool people. We might be able to fool people, other people, but we can never fool Vaheguru. We can use as much things as we try to do. Some people, they'll come to the Gurdwara or any religious place, mosque, temple, or anything, and they will try to use the things which they think Vaheguruji will get impressed. They'll try to give money to Vaheguruji. They will say, Vaheguruji, we love you. That's because we think Vaheguruji is a toy, or Vaheguruji is like any human being. Logan Ram Khilona Jana. People think Vaheguruji is a toy. They can fool Vaheguruji. I say no. That greed, that lobe, that moh, nothing works. Nothing works. We can try as many things as we want to. It is because of our low mood, because our mind is in greed, our mind is in emotional attachment. That's why we think like that. We think by greed because we are stuck in emotional attachment. We are stuck in greed. We can make Vaheguru also fool. We can also fool Vaheguru also with the emotional and greed, but it will never happen. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਚੜਾ ਦਿਓ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ, or to the non-profit organizations, or to build hospitals and all. You can do as many donations as you want to. That will never ever, Vaheguru will never ever get impressed. Lot of people in every religion, there is a concept of daswand. The concept of daswand is 1/10 of your donation should be given. Now, for somebody who is earning like maybe $1 million and all, there the daswand is 100,000 US dollars, bare minimum, right? And a person who is earning, let's say, just for the sake of argument, just only $100. For them, this one is $10. Who is better in front of Vaheguru? The one who is giving $10 or one who is giving $100,000? For Vaheguruji, it does not matter. It does not matter. Maharaj is asking for the daswand of your time, the swasandatan, that wealth which is given to us, all of us, when we were born, that swas, that pavan, that pran, which was given to us. How much time, how much breath we use to remember Vaheguru. That's why Maharaj says, Saas, Saas, Simro, Gobind, Manantar ki Utare Chint. Every swas, we have to remember Vaheguru. That is the tan with which, when we will use that tan, and with that tan, like a barter system, Maharaj will give us a Gur Prasad in the form of Naam. Otherwise, worldly tan, the worldly wealth, has no value. No value. We can give as much donations, as much anything we can do, it will not matter. Kartab karan paleria, mad maya sutte. Paleria word came earlier also in I think I don't know which chunk, but in 300 somewhere. Maharaj is saying mad maya sutte. Mad is a sharab. Mad is a sharab. It's like alcohol. Maharaj says kartab is जिमें कोई तमाशा नहीं दिखाई, it's like a drama. We are showing the dramas in the Maya, intoxicated in Maya. You know, when the person is intoxicated under alcohol or something, they will say, they will do a lot of things. Maharaj कहते बहुत पुलेरियां, lot of deeds they will do because they are in the nasha of, they literally have a nasha. They are addicted in Maya. फिर जोन पुआयन जम मार्ग मुत्ते. And they are stuck in the path of Jam. They'll keep on coming in Jam Marg. Do rav hai na? Because whatever deeds we do, paleriyan, evil deeds when we will do, the result is gonna be based on our karams. We can donate as much money as we want to. We can do good deeds in front of people as much as we want to. It will not matter. पुण्य दान जो बीजते सब धर्म राय को जाए. Jam will take. In the Jam Marg, when we will walk on the path of the Jam, Marg is the path. When we will walk, when at the last time, the Jams will come and they will take us. From where they will come? From within us, these doots. When they will come out, when they will say, come, now the time has come, now you have to go to the Taramraj. Chitragupta has written your lekha. Whatever evil deeds you have done, now it's a time to show whether you have done the good deeds or the evil deeds. Even if you have done good karams also, पुण्य भी kita koi, everything will be taken away by these jamduts. And then, based on our evil deeds, we will come and go in the cycle of life and death. 84 lakh June. फिर जून पवायन जम मार्ग मुत्ते. This is the path. This is the path which has been set already. Nobody can change that. It is the process. Kita payan apna. Whatever we will do, whatever karams which we have done, good or bad karams, the results will be based on that. Change thodi hona kuch. If somebody is doing the bad deeds, the result will be the bad. If somebody will be doing the good deeds, the result will be the bad. That's why Naam is the only way which can save us from our bad deeds, bad karams. Kita payan apna dukh seti jutte. We will be in the pain. Just like a field is plowed by a plower, jodha na kisan jodda. The same way we will be punished, beaten by these jamduts. Nanak nae visariye, nae as in naam, as in shabad. Nanak nae visariye, sab mandi utte. And then all the seasons are bad. You say, oh, it's good weather outside. All the weather is bad when we forget Naam, when we forget Vaheguru. Nothing is in our control then. Slok Mahalla Panjwa, Uthandiyan, Bahandiyan, Swandiyan, Sukh Soe. And if you want to be Sukhi, if you want to be in peace and happiness, then when you are getting up, when you are sitting, when you are sleeping, if you want Sukh, you have to connect with the Naam. Nanak Naam Salahiye, Man Tan Sheetal Hoye. Then Salahiye means to remember Vaheguru. All the time, Naam nu yaad rakhna, simarna. Nanak Naam Salahiye. Then our mind, my body will be Sheetal. Sheetal as in cold, hoye. Man tan Sheetal hoye. It will be cold, cooling effect. Some people get hot flashes. Those hot flashes will go away. The mind which is burning in lust, greed, anger, attachment, that will go away. But Maharaj says all the time, because we have an expectations in our mind that if I will do 1 hour of Simran, I will have no problems. Yes, you will be better than others for sure. The person who is not doing the Simran, you will be better than them. But Maharaj says very clear, Uthandeya, Bahandeya, Savandeya, meaning 24 hours. Maharaj explains us in a different ways. Andin means day and night. Uthandeya means when you are getting up. Bahandeya means when you are sitting. Savandeya means when you are sleeping. Now one would say, how can I remember Vaheguru when I am sleeping? That's what the little girl was asking us yesterday. How can we remember Vaheguru all the time? We have to do other things also. Only person who can remember Vaheguru all the time is when we have reached to a stage of Antargat Simran. When we know how to do the Antargat Simran. And only person who can do the Antargat Simran is who will actually chant for at least bare minimum couple of hours. Loud Simran. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. And then you start doing Antargat. And then you make sure you make your habit. You're sitting, you're remembering Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru in your mind. You're standing up, you're remembering Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Before sleeping, after you are done with the Sohela Sahib, then also you do Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Can they 100%? Sukh will be there. Nanak Naam Salahiye, Mantan Sheetal Hoye. There will be no burning of anger or ego or anxiety or depression. Mahalla Panjwa, Lalach Atya Nit Fire, all the time. Atya means all the time he's stuck in the greed. Lalach Atya Nit Fire, Swarth Kare Na Koe. He will not, or the mind will not do anything good. All the time, the greed. Anything they will do, and this is most of us. We do everything for our benefit. Mera fayda kide vich hai? You know, somebody told me, oh no, I'm not a businessman. I work. You know, I have a field. I'm a farmer. But your mind is always doing business, is always doing trading. Always. मन हमेशा ही business कर रहा है. Where is my profit? Where is my loss? Because it has greed. Lalach is there. Lalach atya nit fire, swarth kare na koi. Good deed it will not do. The swarth was that the real thing. You know, people say they are selfish. Actually, we are not selfish. We do everything to show others, to make other people happy. If my neighbor, or to compete with others, to make our family happy. And the same kids and the same family are not going to take care of you. You know, if neighbor has bought a new car, we'll say, oh, I also have to buy a new car. We have forgotten what was the real work. What was my swarth? What was my real work when I was sent? I was given a training in the mother's womb. My real work was I have to remember Vaheguru. I have to meet Vaheguru. Oh, swarth karna hi nahi apna. That was the real work, real selfish work, but which we don't do. Jis gur peta nanka tisman vasya soe. But the one who will start doing the swarth work, selfish work, as in they will start remembering Vaheguru, Jis gur peta nanka tisman vasya soe, then Vaheguru will come in their mind, in their consciousness. Podi sabbe vastu kodiyan sache nao mitha. And all things, all the worldly things are bitter. Everything which has come out of the Maya is bitter. Maya दूरों दूरों ते बड़ी मिठी लगदी है, but है कौड़ी. Maya is bitter. It looks sweet. Only naam is actually sweet. Maya is कौड़ी, bitter. साध आया तिन हर जना चख साधी डिठा. Sad means swad. Only the Gurmukhs, Harjans, the Pagats will taste, will enjoy the taste, because they have now tasted the Amrit Ras. Chakh Sadi Ditta. They know the flavor of God, the Amrit Ras, the Naam Ras, the Har Ras, because they have tasted it. The Sadjan, the Sachi Sangat, the one who chants Sant Janam Mil Har Jas Gayo, Kot Janam Ke Dukh Gwayo. Par Brahm Jis Likhya Man Tisse Vutha. Likhya means karams, kirpa. Kirpa is there for everybody. Mastak hove likhya har simar prani. Everybody's mind, everybody's forehead, it has been written. This is called Sant Pasha. This is a language of saints. Saints believe that Vaiguruji has, that's why it's in Gurbani, Pai Parapat Manuk Deoriya Gobind Milan ki e teri bariya. Avar kaaj tere kite na kaam mil saad sangat paj keval naam. The belief is that anybody who has got a human body, whether they are disabled or not, whether they are rich or poor, whether they are born in India or in Bangladesh or in Siberia or in any country, the purpose of their life is to meet God. And trust me, this is the truth, and it will be revealed very, very soon. More people who go through these tortures and pain, they are more closer to God. And there are many, many stories from the countries where the torture is happening. In Palestine right now, let's talk about that, Gaza and all. There are many stories. They have real encounters with the Kirpa. Lot of angelic miracles are happening there. Because when you go through the torture, nobody gives you the support. Only Vaheguruji gives you the support. Par Brahm jis likhya, manat se vutha. Mind, in the mind, Vaheguruji will come. Ik niranjan Rab rahya. Ikko hi hai wo. Ikko hi hai. He is only one. Ik niranjan Rab rahya pao duya kutha. Kutha means it will go away. Duja pao. Duality will go away. When Vaheguru starts coming in our mind, it starts living in our mind, then we will not have any duvida, will not have any doubt left. There will be no doubt. Har Nanak mangay jod kar prab devai tutta. Jod kar means doye hath jod karo ardas. Meaning when we fold our hands, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying, Nanak has anchored means Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying, I am like a beggar. I have folded my hands in front of you. Prab Deva Tutta. Kende trut jao. Be pleased with me and give me the Naam Ras. That's the only thing which I want. I don't want worldly tan. I want Naam tan. Hanji Gurmukh Pyaro, just like every day, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I will open the dice for now for any questions related to this lecture. 10 minutes again, anybody can ask. Anybody can ask any question for this lecture. Let me open my camera also. That makes you more easier to see things and all. Hanji Gurmukh Pyare. Anybody has any question on this lecture?
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh, Vaheguru Ji.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਲਚ ਤੇ ਮੋਹ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧੋਖਾ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਧੋਖਾ ਦਿੰਨੀ ਆ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਪੰਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਨਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖੋ ਗੋਲਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਸੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, when we go to the Gurdwara Sahib and we put the money in the Golak, what are we expecting? Right? Now the Gurmukhs who have the Vivek, they put the money so that the Prabandh of the Gurdwara can go good, right? The arrangement of the Gurdwara can. But a lot of people put the money because they are saying, oh, we do Ardas also. I will put 1,000 rupees or $1,000 if my work will be done. We do Saudai Baji. We do business with the Guru Sahib. Isn't it? मैं 1000 रुपया चढ़ावांगा, मैं 10,000 चढ़ावांगा, 20,000 चढ़ावांगा. That's a Saudai Baji. And the religious people, so-called religious people, they take the benefit of that. Some Pandits, some Maulvis, some Granthis. I mean, I'm not talking about the person. Some people, they will take money and they will, misuse your thoughts, your emotions. They will play with your emotions. Right?
Hanji.
Hanji. Or ji kisi da question? Anybody else has any question regarding this lecture? Or if you are stuck in anything in the Gurmat, if I can answer, I will love to answer that.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ am I lust, am I attachment? ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ. So that is a yukti whenever these doots are basically trying to control our mind. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਮ ਦਾ ਦੂਤ, ਕ੍ਰੋਧ ਦਾ ਦੂਤ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਹੈ, then we should ask these questions to ourselves. Then from where is this coming? Am I lust? Am I greed? Just like right now we are talking about a greed, right? Sometimes it is like we see, something is going on in the market and all. We want to buy that. We want to buy gold and all that stuff. I'm not saying don't buy gold, don't buy bitcoins. But what is happening is, if my mind is totally focused in the greed, if my mind is totally focused on the sexual desire or an anger or an anxiety, ask these questions to yourself. Who am I? नानक गुरमुख आप पछाणे प्रभ जैसे अविनाशी।
ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੌਰੀ ਵੈਗੁਰੂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਆਪ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਆਪ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਮੈਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ?
ਅਰਦਾਸ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਕਰੋ, ਅਰਦਾਸ ਜੋ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਹੈ। The way Gurbani has taught us the ardas. That's why these shabads, Kaam, Krodh, Ardobh, Moh, Binas Jai Ahmev, Nanak Prabh Sharnagati Kar Prasad Gati. I'm telling you, the shabad, the Gurbani shabad, Guru Granth Sahib Ji's Gurbani has a lot of power. There are some Gurmukhs in here, they know what I'm talking about. They have gone through repetitively reciting these shabads. What has happened to them is they have been cured from some diseases also. So when we get Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar, this shabad is very powerful. Repeat it again and again. This is an ardas, shabad of ardas, just like ardas. Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Binas Jaya Mev, Nanak Prabh Sharnagati, Kar Prasad Gurudev. 10 vari, 20 vari, 25 vari, 30 vari, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times. Keep on repeating, keep on repeating. And then do the Simran. Because at that point of time, when you will do the Simran, and if you are angry, you probably will not be able to do the Simran. Manane Sah Chana. And if you will check your Naska also, technically, if you will check your nostrils also, your breath will be on the right hand side when we have these tamoguni stuff going on. And it automatically changes. Sometimes it will be on the right side, sometimes it will be on the left side. But when you will start doing the Simran, it will balance. There's another way to balance it out also. When you do the Ardas, remember, I think you were the one who were asking me when to put the Dhyan here, in the front of the nose. ਉਦੋਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹ ਨੱਕ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਨਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੋ, ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਲਓ and start doing the Antargat Simran, and the Dhyan should be here, or just keep on putting the Dhyan here. It will balance. And do this Ardas multiple times. Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Binas Jaya Mev, Nanak Prabh Sharnagati. In few minutes, mind will start going inside. Then do the Simran and it will help you. ठीक है प्यारे? हाँ जी. Anybody else, if you have any question related to this lecture or anywhere in the spiritual journey, if you are stuck? If not, आओ जी आप सिमरन करिए. Vah, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. सेवा कर लो जी गुरमुखो. Vah, Guru, Vah,
Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vahguru, 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। अंतर्गत सिमरन वाहिगुरू जी, मन ही बोले मन ही सुने। वाहिगुरु जी, हम अवगुण परे एक गुण नाही, अमृत छाड़ बिखे बिख खाई, माया मोह परम पै भूले, सुत दारा स्यो प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम पंथ सुनियो गुर संगत, तह मिलंत जम त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ की रत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरणाई। एक अरदास पाठ की रत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरणाई। भोल चुक दी खिमा जी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।